That's a waste of a watermelon. That's a horrible art. That was so bad. Now we got some corn.
Oh, you can mold. Whoa.
Nice. Ooh, that was an interesting
good
transition there.
Yeah.
Okay, we're making some holes in whatever this is.
What's the smoke room?
It's a hand mold with holes. Yes.
You can use it as a brush.
Yep.
Oh, and
yeah.
Whoa.
Calm, nice.
Nice, okay. A bit sharpie, looks...
No, my spoon broke again. I have to stop eating metal with my spoons. Ooh, okay. A little back scratcher with forks.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay,
nice little corgi butt.
So...
We're making a bird mold now.
Mm-hmm. Wow,
That's pretty cool looking. How did they even do that? I guess they did it against glass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's good job.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Needs a little bit of, sanding down probably, but it looks good.
Or maybe it's just CG, no?
Yeah. Remember when these poppers were like everything on the internet?
Uh-huh.
What happened to them?
I don't know. They just disappeared as all these things.
Handsome.
You know this spinner?
Yeah, fidget spinners. Yes, exactly.
Everybody forgot about them, right?
Where did that go? Bring back the fidget spinner.
But
no, don't do that. No one liked that.
Why? I did.
And I just
bring yo-yo or something like this. Much better.
Yeah, yo-yos are cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Wow.
Or hacky sack.
Hacky sack?
Do cool hacky sack tricks.
Yeah. Nice. So, okay. It's a cup.
Yeah, it looks like a little cup mug.
Mm-hmm. Cup mug for what?
It's a little shallow.
It's a hand. I think it doesn't work like
so confusing. Did you just use your hack to make another hack?
But wait a second.
That's hackception. That's too many hacks, 5 Minute Crafts, please. Orbeez in the watermelon.
Watermelon.
More aluminum in the watermelon. With the Orbeez?
Wow. We did it without Orbeez.
I want to see it with the Orbeez.
That should be awesome. We did separately with the Orbeez. And
Ooh. You should do it with the Orbeez. Wow. That looks cool.
Wow. Okay. Should we try it? Write us in the comment.
Let us know.
Oh,
ooh. They put the tin inside that, and it looks like alien meteoroids, I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. It didn't make sense to me, but all right.
They warm it up to make it straight.
Okay.
I guess so.
Bismuth. It looks cool. It's like rainbowy effect. Wow. Because of the way the light hits it, it reflects differently, and even though it's one solid color, it looks to us as many different colors.
Wow, that looks awesome.
Wow.
It's expensive metal, I guess.
I would assume it's probably a little expensive because it looks so cool. You know?
Yeah. If something looks cool,
then it's expensive. Pretty nice. Oh, wow. What are we doing? Okay. Now we're taking the spoon, heating it up. Don't put it on the foot. Yeah, no, they're not. They're not gonna do that. That was just my brain. Okay. Now we're taking the spoon and we're making it all wavy. Wow. Shave it off, and I feel like they could have done that a little bit quicker. Huh. Weird. Why are you making a little bubble in the spoon? A spubble. Okay, so we're ruining a fork for some reason. He's a big fan of forks, and he wants to destroy all of the forks. That's what I imagine is his backstory as a mega villain. Okay, we're putting some acid on this, so we're gonna solder together a few pieces of metal. Boom, boom, boom. Where is this going now? We have a little stick with little notches on it. What is the purpose? Alright. So we're using a Dremel to get that nice and filed down, make it nice and smooth. This is so weird. It looks like fangs. They're making an insect. Okay. Kind of looks like a little spider or a little... Actually, it might be something with horns now that I'm looking at it. Okay, now we're making a nice little clay mold thing. Interesting. Why? It looks cool, but why? Filing this piece of metal down. I'm curious as to where this is going. Okay. A little bit of acid so that we can solder our pieces together or weld our pieces together. Okay, so we got a ball and a little horned face. Polish it all up. I mean, it looks like a nice ball. Okay, that's such an interesting way to do that, but okay. Ugh, why does that look like a body part with a piece of metal sticking out of it? Nope. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, this is such... It's such a small piece of metal as well. You don't realize how much, like, accuracy that's taking. Whoa! It's a crab spider thing. Wow. That's pretty neat. And now they're bending it all up so we can get a good idea. This is part of the new Spider-Man movie prop list. Looks pretty good. I've seen worse spiders in my days. Not too shabby. And now he's making it hairy. That's gross. Cool. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. I didn't know you could do that. Okay, now we have our spider and a leg again. Wait, okay, I'm waiting. Ah, okay, so this is what maybe the spider is gonna go onto? Yep, there's the web. Kind of looks like Spider-Man, his mask, if you drew two little eyes. Nice, and now, boom, we have a weird foot thing. That is so odd. Why? Did Bro shave his leg for this? Okay. Nice. Ah, okay, it's not Bro. Maybe. I don't know, it could be. And now we have a piece of wood. Nice wood. Chip it down. What are we making now? So far we've had a couple feet, a spider for our leg. I'm imagining it's something to do with the lower body area. Hopefully we don't keep rising up. Alright, we're cutting this open. Doop, doop, doop. Nice. Fabric glue. Is that sandpaper? Get it all nice and connected. And now we're sewing. Alright, bang that in there. That doesn't look like it's the strongest hold with just little thumbtacks, but if that's what you got to work with, then do it. Alright, that looks cool. It's a little bag, a little wooden box bag with threads, braids. That looks hard to do. I never want to do any braids. Do you guys like braids? I don't, personally. Okay, nice little, bang that in there. Okay, looks pretty good. And it's a lovely gift. Wow. And inside is the spider. She's gonna open it and be like, ah! Alright, give us more reactions right now.